Hi, I'm Kevin Grimes. Welcome to MLM Compliance VT. With your kind patience, I hope you'll allow me to give you a little background on myself. I'm an MLM attorney, and I've been practicing law for over 25 years. As an attorney, I've had the privilege to work with MLMs ranging from startups to some of the largest multi-billion-dollar MLM companies in the world. The scope of my practice includes anti-pyramiding laws, franchise and business opportunity laws, securities laws, consumer protection, international law, and advertising law, which of course include the areas of law administered by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. I've also been involved in regulatory enforcement actions ranging from cease and desist orders to lawsuits that sought to put companies and their distributors out of business permanently. It's my privilege to be your personal trainer and coach on the subject of legal and regulatory compliance within the world we call multi-level marketing, or MLM. By the time we're done, you will know the essentials for what you can and cannot do according to the law, so that you can build your business, your plans, and maybe even your dreams on a rock-solid foundation. What my law practice and this course are ultimately about is helping companies and their distributors be successful. That means not only being successful in the short term, but also in the long term. That really is my passion. No company or distributor will ever be successful in the long term unless they do things right. If you aren't serious about compliance, you aren't serious about your business. Because unless you are compliant, your business and the company could literally be gone overnight, not to mention potential asset freezes, multi-million-dollar fines, and being banned from the industry for life. I want to tell you right up front that there's nothing difficult about MLM legal compliance. There's no rocket science involved. You don't have to be a nuclear physicist or a brain surgeon to understand this stuff. But you do need to know it. As many of my clients will tell you, they sure wish they did. You know, the first question most distributors have when they first hear that they need to be legally compliant is, why? Why do I need to be compliant? Well, here's why. You want to be sure that all of your hard work pays off without your efforts going up in smoke simply because you didn't know or you were never educated. I can't tell you how many distributors ask me, how was I supposed to know? No one ever told me. Well, here I am, and I'm telling you, and the truth is, the regulators and courts' position is simply, you'd better know. So basically, that's why. It makes absolutely no sense to work hard to build a business, to have it suddenly crash into the ground. After all, the reason you got started in the first place was to become successful. No one ever starts a business with failure as a goal. But amazingly, so many people unknowingly and unintentionally sabotage their own opportunities for success. Worse yet, they have no interest in learning or understanding this part of their business. They say things and do things that can hurt not only their own business, but also hurt the efforts of others who are building their businesses right. Nobody wants that. Most successful business owners will tell you that there are a number of things that can harm or even close a business, from bad financial decisions to public relations issues or labor and employment challenges. But none can do so faster than legal problems, whether they're done intentionally or unintentionally. Not wanting to learn and understand compliance can stop any business dead in its tracks, no matter how good anyone's intentions are. The only real way to protect your investment of time, money, and your future is by learning the essential and important do's and don'ts about being compliant so that you can become totally successful.